eastbound 34.
40, show me around. 180, me around. Keep the radio, guys. And 333.
Blew the light at Baker, continuing eastbound.
Eastbound, passing Baker.
Officer 706, go ahead, drive, get the radio. Officer 71, I'm behind. Yep. Turn around, Fort Smith. Still continuing at Fort Smith.
The 1050 is going to be the Air 941 Bullsboro Drive. 2 vehicles, Toyota Camry versus a Toyota. No injuries.
No. Still continuing at Fort Smith, come up on Lower Babel. 96 feet. Ain't got bit.
Negative.
Yeah, well, won't be down Lower Babel and get in front of him.
10-4. Coming up on Lower Babel now.
What's your speed?
It's going to be 90 on Lower Smith.
I'm Lower Fayette roundabout, coming to you. Make it Lower Babel.
She left the roadway. Going to be westbound. Come on. Go, 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 go.
I'm getting ready. We're going to have some vehicle damage.
I got the radio.
Oh, 601 vlog, I have my POC.
We're going to be continuing eastbound, speeds 70.
Speed 70.
GSC 131. I'm going to try to put out top 6 on lower Babel on there, 154. Well, we're coming up to 154. Be advised, the high school just let out a lot of traffic. 10-4, might have right here, 154.
Continuing eastbound for 154. 96, if we continue eastbound, you want to go ahead and let Peachtree City know.
Green Dave eastbound, advising expand.
Trooper with you. I'm turning right on Lower Babel down to 124.
We're on Lower Fayetteville, trying to set up for pit, passing 4269, continuing east, speeds 70s.
4450, 100 mark that address, just west there. She stops up out the window, passing by Smith.
Continuing eastbound, speeds 80. Gonna be passing Meadow Way. Got her stop. Gonna be a Fisher. Siren real quick.
Both of them. I got both of them. Hey, unbuckle it.
She's unbuckled. She's unbuckled.
Bring out this
Hey,
side.
hey,
Bring
cuff
out this
her.
side. She
Cuff
can
her.
climb
Here,
over.
here.
I won't run. No,
Climb
I
over
I
the
got
car.
it. Hold on, I'm cuffing her. Nope, you going out that way.
Go out that way. Come on.
Hold on.
I put the car in. Is it park?
I don't think it's gonna roll anywhere.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, you got some cocaine right there.
You just put her in mine.
No, it's 95.
No, well, he basically just, she slowed down to make the turn, and he just pushed her off the road.
Now put this in behind your back.
I was 10-4, coming west there, look like they.
That's probably the grass. I'd say that's me on the grass. I probably need, give me some room.
No damn in the vehicle.
Back up, back up.